Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and today we are going to understand the basics of stock market. So if you are someone who do not know about stock market, even if you do not know what stock market do or what is actually a stock market or what is actually a stock, then this video will be perfect for you. After this video you will be able to invest in stocks, make good profits, but that is totally depend upon your ability and your understanding of stock market. But if you are very beginner, then this video will be best for you. So let's get started. So first of all, who we are. According to the stock market, we are the investors. We are the people who will give money to buy something, some commodities, some securities. That is some tough words, but you will going to understand them later. So first of all, we are the investors. So we could be one of them. We are the investors. So uh, let's say his name is Sham and he has some sort of extra money, so he want to invest and expect a good return from from his holidays during uh, for expense of his holidays. So let's say he has rupees 1000. So he went to this company with his 1000 rupees, and the company in return provided Sham some stocks of rupees 1000. So the the current value of what Sham has bought is 1000 rupees. 1 0 0 and 0. So as of now Sham has rupees 1000, and let's say for in the next week the company did well. uh, the company had earned good profits and just he did well, the company did well. So there could be many factors why the change in price could occur, but for now, let's say just company did well and company did good business, and the company is making good profit. Okay, so how could this company behavior can benefit Shyam? So let's say the current price or the current stock price of this ABC company is 1000, and the next week he earned some good projects from its clients. So the current value of the stocks can be 1200, it can be 1500, or it can be also 900. It totally depends upon the company, upon the situation of the country and economy, and many other factors. We'll be discussing it in the next video. So as of now, let's say the stocks of the company has reached to 1200. So the commodities or securities that Sham has bought will be of rupees 1200, which is earlier of rupees 1000. So Sham has total 1000 minus, because this he had invested earlier. So he had earned rupees 200 in profit. Sham had not done anything. He had just invested this 1000 rupees in this company, and company did well, and he had got 200 rupees in profit. So this is the very basic how stock market works. Hope you had understood the basic terminologies or basics of stock market. If you want to know how to open a stock market account and how to get good returns, please comment, and I can give you a kind of link so that you can open a free demat account, free stock market account, and in that account you can also have 500 already in it. So if you want this link, kindly put them in the comments. I will be discussing it in next video. Thank you.